A startup in Maharashtra, Nivon Projects, has been building the most amazing solar projects to help engineering students in their studies and research. Apart from showcasing the immense potential of solar energy, these DIY innovations also solve some common problems. For instance, a remote-operated solar robot that can clean lakes and rivers. Unlike garbage on land, trash in water bodies is harder to remove. Boats are time-consuming, don't operate 24 hours a day, and can't get into tight bends and corners. The solution? Get a solar robot to do it. It'll save both time and energy. Nivon Projects has also built a solar seawater desalinator that can convert salty seawater into potable water within minutes. When a user pours seawater into the device, a mesh first separates out shells, stones, seaweeds, etc. This water then passes through a layered purification chamber before a sun-powered reverse osmosis process removes the salt from the water. And finally, when the tap is opened by the user, the last stage of UV sterilization deactivates any microbes in the water, making it drinkable without any use of chlorine. Build a solar innovation of your own? Share it with us for a chance to get featured on the Better India.